Navigating through troubles, understanding out of the woods. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard in conversations, movies, or books. Out of the woods. This idiom is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English comprehension and expression. So, let's explore together what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Out of the woods is an idiom that means no longer in danger or difficulty. It's used to describe a situation where the worst part of a problem or challenge has been overcome, but it doesn't necessarily mean that everything is completely resolved. Think of it as emerging from a dense, dark forest into a clearing where you can finally see the sky. You're not home yet, but the most challenging part of your journey is behind you. The phrase, out of the woods, is believed to have roots in old hunting and woodland activities, where getting lost or facing danger in the woods was a real concern. Making it out of the woods was a sign of safety and relief. Over time, this literal experience translated into a metaphorical expression used to describe overcoming difficulties in life, health, and various challenges. To help you better understand how to use out of the woods in everyday conversations, let's look at some examples. 1. After a long and difficult surgery, the doctor said we're not out of the woods yet, indicating that while the surgery was successful, the patient still requires careful monitoring. 2. When the company secured a crucial loan to cover its debts, the CEO expressed relief but reminded everyone that they weren't completely out of the woods with their financial troubles. 3. In personal development, someone might say they're finally feeling out of the woods after months of dealing with a challenging situation, indicating a significant improvement in their circumstances. Learning idioms like out of the woods can enrich your English by making your conversations more vivid and expressive. Here are a few tips. Listen for the phrase in English movies, songs, and TV shows. Practice using it in your own sentences, especially when talking about overcoming challenges. Pair it with other idioms related to challenges and solutions to expand your conversational skills. That wraps up our journey through the meaning and usage of the phrase, out of the woods. We hope this exploration has shed some light on this interesting idiom and inspired you to incorporate it into your English practice. Remember, language learning is a journey with its own set of woods to navigate through. But with each new phrase and idiom you learn, you're getting closer to the clearing. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.